And we are back with a brand new week of GoMining rewards. But first of all, we're going to go to the Bitcoin chart. For the past few days, or should I say 2 days or so, we've been hovering in between about 100,000 and 95,000 Bitcoin. Ooh, actually, we just finally got the little drop down here, so we're going a little bit lower. We've yet to see 90,000 again, which is very good, but I think we can get a little bounce off this little EMA ribbon. But now to the GoMining rewards. This week, we had a pool reward of $49.33, electricity cost of $18.96, and a service cost of $7.03. Our total reward in Bitcoin was 0.00051483 Bitcoin. And as you can see, now it's adjusted to the current price, so it's about $48.97. Still very good for this week. And we got a 128x block. Whoever got the personal reward for this in GoMining tokens, they are super lucky because they got just under 40,000 GoMining tokens compared to my reward of 350, which is this. They got, maybe $17,000 for a personal reward. Good on them. That's amazing on them. But for everyone else, they got paid out, or I got paid out because of my percentage, 0.00012850 Bitcoin, which is $12.22. $12.22 for a single block is, I would say, unfathomable, if I pronounce that correctly. Because at the moment for this week, or last week I should say, a single reward was 0.0000101, or if you kind of go down a little bit, 0.0000100. So in between there, it equals out to about 9.5 cents, give or take. We'll call it 10 cents, but that's a normal reward for a single block. We got that beautiful 128x, so that was $12.22 that luckily was thrown onto this. So if we didn't get that, this reward would look a lot more like this. I'm hoping this week again we could get another 128x block. As soon as the week started, another group or another clan did get a 128x block, so they already got paid out beautifully for the first day. I think it was actually within the first few hours, but either way, if any of you guys want to actually start mining with GoMining and make passive income, as you can see here, $50 a week, just doing that, absolutely nothing. And if you're lucky, you get the personal reward. Like I said, this person here, they only had, I think I looked into it, they have about 200 terahash. That's just about double mine. So for 200 terahash, they got back $17,000 in one day. That paid for their entire investment. They got it all back and more. But that was pure luck. But then again, pure luck comes to everyone, and you don't get the luck if you don't put yourself in the chance to get it. So I have a referral code in the description of the video and on my bio of my channel. So if you want to sign up, you can start for as little as, let's see, $20, I believe it is. $26.99. You can start mining Bitcoin and have the chance to win a personal reward that's anywhere from $50 to, I don't know, $20,000. Buys you a brand new car. Well, have a good one, guys. Start mining.